Hey everyone, Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can download a full new set with 12 brushes for Procreate that I've made as a Christmas present for you, so let's jump right into it. Just like I did last year, I've made a new Christmas themed brush set for Procreate called 12 Brushes of Christmas. Last time this was a gift only for my customers, but this year I decided to make it available for everyone. All you have to do is go to my Gumroad page through the link in the description below, open the product page, type 0 in the price field, and you're all set. Of course, feel free to donate or have a look at all my other paid brush sets if you want to show your support, which I deeply appreciate. But other than that, I hope you enjoy this little present. Also make sure to download it as soon as you can, because it will only be available for a couple of weeks since this video is published. It's been a crazy year for everyone, and I sincerely hope we all can get a better one in 2022. I don't want to say much more in this video, only a quick update about what's coming from me in the next few days. I'm going to take a little break next week, so that means there will be no video next weekend. Also, I will be publishing my freebie of the month for January on the 3rd instead of the 1st. Stay tuned for that freebie, because it's going to be a little bit different than in previous months. I will leave you now with this time lapse of how I did this illustration using some of the brushes included in this set. I hope you like it. Okay, Merry Christmas everyone, and Happy 2022. See you next time.